Minor works certificates. Today we're looking at an essential yet often overlooked aspect of home maintenance. Minor works certificates. Whether you're planning to extend a lighting circuit or extend a socket circuit, understanding this certification can save time and keep your home safe and compliant. So, what is a minor work certificate? It's a declaration by a competent electrician that minor electrical work, such as adding or extending your lighting or socket circuits, complies with electrical safety standards and UK building regulations. The primary goal is safety and compliance. This certificate ensures that electrical work done in your home or business is both safe and legally compliant, preventing hazards like fires and electric shocks. By obtaining it, you ensure the safety of your home and its occupants. So, what does it cover? The minor work certificate is for smaller electrical installations, including extending circuits from existing ones. These tasks may seem minor, but doing them correctly is vital for your safety and peace of mind. As electricians, we need to determine if your project requires a minor work certificate. You need to engage a competent electrician. Ensure they are registered with a competent person scheme. When completed, the electrician provides it after completion. So who can issue this minor work certificate? Only qualified registered electricians like those at Bright Spark can issue this certificate. This ensures the person carrying the work has the necessary expertise and credentials, guaranteeing compliance with safety standards. The benefits. The certificate not only keeps your home safe, but also adds value by ensuring all work is documented and compliant. Plus, electricians can certify the work, making the process quicker and more efficient. In conclusion, the minor work certificate is crucial for maintaining a safe and compliant home or business. For anyone, protect your home or your business, colleagues and even loved ones from potential hazards by ensuring your electrical work meets the highest standards. Have you ever considered the safety compliance of your home's electrical work? Would you like to explore the steps to ensure your next project is certified? Remember, safety and compliance are just a certificate away. Stay safe, stay compliant. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.